Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we're getting the boat ready for boating season, and nothing ruins a boating session than a dead battery. If you get to the ramp and the boat won't start, the battery's dead, you let the music play too long. This is a great accessory, not only for your boat, but for any vehicle as well. This is an emergency jump pack. This is from Lectron. This is the S10, and it has 4,000 amps of jump starting power. So it can jump start pretty much any vehicle. Anything with a 12-volt battery, it can jump start. I keep one of these in my boat at all times because you never want a dead battery to ruin your day on the lake. All right, so let's get this unboxed here. It's actually pretty lightweight, pretty compact. It comes in a nice carrying case well. This is what I really like about this. This can fit easily in any of the compartments in the boat. It can fit in the trunk of your car, storage compartments, and it's not going to get damaged because it's in this case here. So we're going to get this out. It's got a nice storage side here where the jump pack sits. So here's the Jump Starter S10 by Lectron. The cool thing too, it has these nice lights. So it has like a strobe feature, emergency strobing. This is where we're going to put our jumper cables that come with this. They just plug into that port right there. Here's our power button. And then here's the charge port. So the USB-C is where we charge it from. So it doesn't have to be charged on an outlet. It's charged with a USB-C, which is nice because you can charge that in your vehicle while you're using it. And then you have two USB-A outlets here that you can charge your phone, laptop, etc. with those. You also have a couple simple instructions on how to just jump start it real quick. So kind of a quick start guide right there. We've got our manual, and then Lectron makes a lot of accessories. I've used some of their charging and EV adapters for some of my electric cars, and so they've got a good reputation. They make good products. Here's the charging cords. These go on the batteries, so red to positive, black to negative, and then this blue part here plugs into the top real simply like that. So real easy to use. And then it also comes with a charging cord, so a USB-C charging cord. And it comes with a 60-watt, 12-volt socket charging cord for it. So this thing can charge up in just an hour and a half, 2 hours. This thing will be charged up if you're plugging it into this. You can also use your regular phone charger to keep this kind of charged up. The nice thing too is it's going to keep its charge for a while. You can let this go for 3 months or so, and it's still going to keep the charge. So it's nice to just be able to charge it up, keep it in the case, throw it in your car, and you have it there when you need it. Now I put this on the charger for just about an hour or so, got it up to 95%. It has this nice, this intelligent screen here. It tells the percentage, how much battery's left. See the light there? We can change the light. There's like a strobe, and then we have a SOS kind of signal. So kind of seconds is like a flashlight. And we can hold down the power button on the side to turn it off. All right, I'm in my boat. I got my battery cover off. I want to give you kind of a demo on how we're going to use this, how we would jump start this if the battery's dead and I can't start this. Real simple. All I'm going to do is insert my jumper cables into the pack here. You cannot reverse this. So this one's got like kind of a squared shape on the end. This is round. It can only fit in here one way, which makes it real simple. So we're just going to push that in like that. We've got a light here, like an LED's blinking. Blinking means everything's hooked up properly. It's ready to be connected to the battery. Positive, black to negative. Now once it's hooked up, there's a solid green light. That means it's ready to go. You got 30 seconds. It's ready to deliver its full 4,000 amps to the battery. So within 30 seconds, we're going to start the vehicle or the boat, and it will fire right up because this is plenty of power for this. Now, if this light is red, that means a few things. One is that the polarity is reversed. You need to reverse the cables. It's too hot, or you have too low of a charge on this. So pretty simple. It's got a lot of protections where it's not going to let you ruin the system. It won't work if it's hooked up incorrectly. So really simple, kind of foolproof as far as jump starting. Now it looks like the power button on the side is really just to turn the lights on. I don't have to turn it on in order to jump start it. It automatically detects that I'm hooking it up to the battery here. This can jump start a vehicle or a battery that has 0 voltage on it. The battery's completely dead. A lot of these jump packs need to have some kind of voltage on the battery. If the battery is completely dead, it will still jump start it. So that's a really cool feature. And once I use this or I need to top up the power, I can just plug it into my 12-volt socket here. I can plug it in and it'll top the power back up. So I like the ease of charging this. It's going to charge on a USB-C just like everything, all devices are charging these days. So that's really simple, and I'm keeping it topped up, so if I need to use it again, it's ready to go. Now this is my Suburban. I'm gonna keep one of these in here under this panel here in the rear cargo area. I have I keep jumper cables. The problem with these, this set's not very long. It's not very heavy duty, and you know, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I'm gonna get rid of these, and I'm just gonna be able to put my Lectron jump pack right where that was, and I have it there in case I need it. This is just in the back seat here. You can see how easily this case would store just right under the seat there. We could even store it under like the driver's seat. So guys, I'm impressed with this lightweight portable jump starting pack. I also like that it's just versatile. It's got a flashlight to it. It's a power bank, so if you need to throw it in a backpack to charge my phone, it's got that capability as well. It's going to hold a charge long. 4,000 amps of starting capability, so it's going to charge virtually any vehicle with a 12-volt battery. So really impressed with that. So guys, be sure to check out the link down below. Big shout out to Lectron for partnering with us with this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.